Hey guys, Bill again, Competition Cars. So now we're gonna go over the engine bay, interior, and trunk of this 1961 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, which was a nut and bolt frame off restoration. And I don't have to tell you guys what it costs to do a job like that. You'd spend more on the restoration than what you would paying for this car that I'm about to sell and bring a trailer. And this is where it counts, guys. This is where the money's spent. Under the hood, the engine bay, the undercarriage. I mean, look at that. Every nut and bolt is nice and neat and clean. Everything is their correct colors and shades. I mean, the car may have a few hundred miles on it since the restoration. Look at that, super clean. Looks very, very stunning, inside and out. Now, talking about inside of the car, the interior, this was a full restoration. For some reason, they decided to leave the original seats alone. So if you can pick anything at all on this car, the seats have a little patina on them. They're not ripped or torn or shot, but this is a convertible, so typically the leather will take a little bit of a beating. The back seats actually look pretty good. You're gonna have it's normal to have some of those lines in the leather, especially a car that's 60 some odd years old. A little excessive wear, a little more wear than I'd like to see there, but for whatever reason, the people that restored the car decided that they were okay with the seats and they left the seats alone. Everything else, it appears to be replaced, refurbished, reconditioned, or put back to new. There's not a spot of rust or corrosion on this car anywhere. All the bright work on the interior looks fantastic. All the jambs look brand new. Steering wheel's in amazing condition. The dash, there's no cracks or anything in the dash. This is the AC car. The AC does work. 89,000 miles. That should be the original miles on the car. Original radio, power antenna. We'll go over the features in the driving video, and I'll let you guys know if anything doesn't work. But so far, everything I've checked on this car does work to my recollection. All the bright work on the steering wheel. Looks good. I see there's some original parts in this car, like the seats, and it looks like the steering wheel may have not been touched either, which is okay. Door panels all look great. Carpet's just brand new. All the seats look great. Let's go around to the other side, and as we go there, we'll hit the trunk. These right here, guys, it's gonna take this cover. It's gonna take a little bit of time in the heat to stretch this out. I mean, I'm not a weak guy, but damn, I would have had a hell of a time getting this thing snapped. And every time I'd pull on it, I'd snap this side, the other side would not snap. That's a common issue. So a little time of this stretching out in the heat should be fine, but it's on there for now. Trunk, as new, as you'd expect. Everything is neat, clean. Looks new, even kind of smells new. You see the lines for the power top, all that stuff looks new and great shape. Jack and all that is in place. Correct looking spare in place. Coming around to the passenger side, same thing. Impeccable, beautiful interior. Aside from the seats being left alone, everything looks like it's been touched or put back to new, from what I can tell. Biarritz, Cadillac crest there. And look at that beautiful interior. I mean, again, for original seats too, they've actually held up very well. So there was a reason they decided not to touch the seats. I don't have that answer, but I think they look just fine. So there it is, guys. You'll see this on YouTube. This is a Bring a Trailer car. It will be live soon. When the car does go live, I'll share the link. And there's some interesting stories. There's a story behind this car, where it came from and how it got here and what was done. So I'm gonna gather all those facts together and do another video just on that. Thanks for looking. Have a great day.